let's get straight to the point. So I was trying to create a portfolio website for myself, and I wanted to compare all these new AI models, Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini, as well as DeepSeek. DeepSeek is a bit less popular, but it's comparable, I guess. So today I'm gonna test out all the AI models and how they create a portfolio website with basic HTML, CSS, and a simple React application. So nothing complicated. First of all, I'm going to show you that I created a long time ago. It's a basic React application with 3 pages. So it's a home page where it's a description of the developer, name and contacts, so LinkedIn, let's say GitHub, resume and contact information, email and simple phone number, right? And then we have skills, just languages, framework, library, tools. I'll just tell the AI model to list down skills there wants to. And the second page, it's about project, so it will test how the AI models actually work with grids and flex boxes. So they'll have to create cards with images as well as titles. And here I've created videos of all of my projects. These are working videos, as well as a link down below with the GitHub link as well as the stack that it was created with, right? This will AI models will only create 3 pages. There is nothing, no animations. These animations are extra that I made using Framer motion. So I'll explicitly tell the AI models to not use any UI libraries or external libraries. Just keep it simple, right? And the third page is just experience. It doesn't have to use this fancy UI library for listing the experience. And so first of all, I have listed that it will create 3 pages and 3 links on a nav bar, and 3 pages are home page with description and developer name and contacts, a project page that will be using a grid. Maybe let's see how it creates cards for each project. I haven't asked it to use images, just title, description and a link, right? And a third experience page, just list down company description and responsibilities and duration, nothing fancy, none of the styles. Also keep it modern, responsive, use dummy data, and we'll be using React functional components instead of class components. Obviously, I mean, it's 2025, there is no reason to use, maybe there is, I don't know. Keep code clean and easy to run. So after I will be copy pasting all the codes into my local VS Code, and then I'll try to run all of those directly first and see if they can work right. Right. So this is the website that ChatGPT created for us, and a portfolio, a simple nav bar with 3 links. 3 links are obviously not aligned and fine, neither on top nor on bottom, but okay. There is no transition or hover. Okay, fine. I didn't specify any animations either. So John Doe, name of the developer, contact information is fine, basically listed up and from top to down without any styles. Okay, we'll check with styles first. Let's see what works and what doesn't. Tech stack. Okay, what is this? What symbol is this? I don't know. This is in style.techlist and li, but it didn't go. But the code didn't go. The listing was not proper. It's in single line. It should have used flexbox or something. But okay, let's see styles. Homeload styles. This is the list. Tech list is displays flex. Okay, flex is wrap. It is wrapped. Oh my god, why the hell did it wrap? And gap is 0.5. Why did it wrap a list? Okay, it wanted to do this. Gap is 0.5 and that is fine. But I don't get the list. This gap, increasing this gap. Yes, increasing the gap. The dot is now after the word, right? So it's now better, but I can't. Yeah, it's okayish now. Let's see if the links work or not. This page is fine. There is no scroll. There is no styling. Basic page. Right? So this is the portfolio app. So these are 3 projects. Okay, project title is fine. It made 3 cards and description as well as link. And the portfolio will go to github.com. Okay, John Doe portfolio, fine. This looks good. This is fine. But there is no overaction on which page we are, but routing is fine. So basic app, right? And we have the experience page finally. Experience page is, not gonna lie, this looks good compared to compared to home. This one looks good. This title, tech solutions, fine. The duration is fine, and the responsibility is fine, and we can add more to the list easily. Okay, that's good. I think this looks good. I will style and code review later. Now I fixed it, and let's see the website created by Claude. It's not even close. It's not even close with GPT. This is ridiculously good. Then even the styling, the color theme as well as white with this color is great. Contrast is nice. So these we have. Do the copy or not? First of all, first is name, and we know we are on home page, and all of these are the change. They are reactive, at least interactive, text tag. This little underline is pretty good. Description, the font is, even the font is nice, and it's done really good job. Projects, and these are draggable, and these are reactive projects, reactive buttons, and these are links. The links buttons are good, and even this line under this is nice detail. Is this gradient or what? No, simple. And we have experience, and the hover effects. Even the hover effects are nice. And literally all of these have interactive. They dot this point, and this goes left on hover, right? And then duration with little calendar icon. The color schemes is nice. Yes, Claude is just way better than GPT for this, at least for direct coding. I think I'll be using Claude for basic websites for next time, especially if I'm writing CSS. I think I'll go for Claude instead of GPT. Now let's close this and let's go to Gemini. Let's see what Gemini. So this is the website that Gemini created. The blue is here. The hover doesn't work. That is okay. At least it's aligned. It's still so much better than GPT. Definitely better than GPT. A little worse than Claude honestly. There is no color styling. Okay, it made these cards, developer name, contact information. This is fine, looks okay. Description about me and a text tag with weird spacing. I think it fixed. Because of this, it fixed the fine. Looks okay. It's not aligned in the center, but and a footer obviously is. Claude and GPT didn't do a footer. Let's go to projects, works. This is reactive, at least on Hoover. Link, title, description, link. This is fine. This looks good. And finally, we have experience. Install this. And ta-da! The site works. Will this work? Confetti? Yes, finally site works for DeepSeek. And it has given us a profile setup as well to put our image in. Same, I've told you, at least it's aligned with center, top down, and Hoover works. You know which, but I can't tell which page I'm on, so but at least Hoover works. That's great. Name of developer, contact information. I like icons it used. About me, fine. And text tag, that is reactive on Hoover. Great. No footer though. Fine. Go to projects. Nice. This looks good. No design, so minimal design, but the alignment is nice. Title on top with lighter text right below it, and with some gap we have link, and the link extends to, I think it extends to whole button. No, it extends to the whole row only, not to the whole button. But yeah, it looks good. And let's see, experience page. I can't tell which page I'm on, but okay. And it did create a timeline. This looks similar to what Gemini and Claude did, right? But there is no hover effect. The dots are there, there is no hover effect, but it looks better, far better. And the blue color, the text, and then we have the spacing is nice, honestly. The spacing is good. It's readable code. Very basically, I don't know why, but yeah, GPT is the worst. This is a GPT website. This is the Claude, the best out of all. The designs are extremely good. Hover effects, even the timeline is hover effect is so nice. The background shadow changes. It's just the best out of all four. Gemini did okay. The spacing is weird, kind of weird. Their hover effects are not there, but some effects are there, and it's simple but better than GPT, obviously. And then we have DeepSeek, which I think is second. The colors are there, the reactivity is there, alignment is nice, it's in center, alignment of navbar as well, and their hover effects and its transition effect is also nice. It's in the projects, the hover effects are here also. The link goes fully to the row instead of the card. This is the link, and we have experience. The timeline is similar to Claude, but there are no hover effects. The color is nice, the spacing is nice, and text contrast is nice. So it looks overall pretty good.